Hello friends! In this video, I will guide you through how to fix CS2 mouse not working. First, open File Explorer and navigate to Local Disk C, Program Files, x86. Then, find Steam and locate User Data. Double-click to select the correct user profile. Next, delete the folder 730. Close CS2 and relaunch the game. If it still doesn't work, open Steam Apps, go to Library, right-click on CS2, Properties, Install Files, and verify integrity of game files. Wait for the process to finish, reopen CS2, and it should work now. If that still doesn't work, go to Game Settings, enable Developer Console, and bind it to a key. Then, open the console and type Unbind All. Hit Enter. Close CS2 and reopen it, and you may need to bind your keys again. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.